Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Apple Pay to Shopify store. It is a fast and easy tutorial. So what you need now is to open your Shopify store from your web browser. Wait and give it some time to open and show everything. Once it has opened, just come here and click on settings. Several options will be seen from your Shopify store and will be similar to this right here. So after that, you will need to scroll down and see the option named Payments. Just click on it. Since it can be classified as the payment option, then we have this payment providers. So here just click on choose a payment option. When this window opens, you can see different payment options that have Apple Pay integrated with them. Or I can go to the payment method icon here and I can select Apple Pay from here. And now I have all the different payment providers that have Apple Pay in them. So I have Stripe and I am going to select Stripe and give it some time to open. Shopify partners with Stripe for secure payments. I will log in with my account here and click on submit, and that is how to add Apple Pay to Shopify store. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.